welcome back to another video on Charlie's Nail Art Supplies channel. I'm Jo, one of Charlie's brand ambassadors, and today we are going to have a look at these gorgeous little Fimo flowers. I'm going to show you them on regular polish and on hard gel, and then in acrylic. So as you can see, they are cut very, let me get it there, finely, so they do encapsulate quite well. When I do them on regular polish, I actually glue them on. When I've worn them before, that's how I do them. I just dab a little tiny bit of glue on and then glue them on that way. I don't top coat over them or anything, and they do actually stay on really well with the glue. So, and not being funny, even if you lost one, they don't cost a tremendous amount that you could always replace and stick one back on. But there's loads of different colours. There's roses there as well. They're really pretty. I mean, how people, like how they make these, I'm always astonished. Let me show you them close up. So they're just so pretty. Look at that yellow one. That's going to be lovely for like summertime, and the orange. And there's some nice circular ones there which have got a rose in the middle. They're just beautiful. I love them. You can get lots of other shapes as well. Charlie's got hearts as well, Fimo hearts. So that is those. I have pulled out the colours that I'm going to use. So we're going to use 3 of the orange. Let me put you back down again for a moment. I'm going to use 3 orange, then I'm going to use 3 of the yellows, and then I'm going to use some pinks. So that is that. I am just waiting for this one to dry, which is Revlon Colour State Gel Envy number 500, and it's called Ace of Spades. It's a nice dark grey. Okay, I have top coated it with the Gel Envy Diamond Top Coat, which is number 10. And then in a second we are going to glue some of those on. But I'm just waiting for that to dry. I may do that one off camera while I'm waiting for another one to dry. So on this one, so far, I have put 2 coats of Model 1's Monotonous. Some nice deep lilac colour. And then on this one, I have put Grandad's Parisian Pink, which is a lovely vibrant pink, and it's from the Rachel Wilder's collection. So I think we get on with this one while that regular polish is drying. I think I'm going to put the yellow ones on this, and we're going to use some hard gel from Deluxe. We are. Okay. Right, what I'm going to do is just pop a layer of base coat on. And then I'm going to use the yellow flowers on this one. So I'm just going to pop 3 on there, and then that is going to go into the lamp. While that is doing what it's doing, I'm going to check this one. Still a little bit tacky, so I'm going to leave it a little bit longer. Okay, that has been cured in the lamp for 30 seconds, so they are now stuck to where they are going to stay. I'm going to put a slip layer on of hard gel, and then I'm going to pop on the rest of it that I need on there to encapsulate them. So if I show you from the side, look, they're not that thick. And I will file and buff off camera because I'm going to make it a little bit quicker, and I will speed this little bit up. While that one's in the lamp curing, I am going to pop these ones on here. And I'm going to leave that to dry. Okay, this one has now been filed and buffed, and we're going to just top coat it. I've got a few air bubbles in there. Hey ho, put that in the lamp, and then we can get on with this one, can't we? So I've also pulled out, because I'm going to use the pink ones on here, but I've also pulled out Mystic Lagoon, okay, from Charlie's. It's a really pretty mix. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I love it. Let's just take a quick look at that one. Okay, so that one has been completely encapsulated in hard gel. So as you can see, it covers the Fimos really well. Unfortunately, I have got a few air bubbles in there. That's probably me. Right, let's get on with the acrylic one. So we're just going to need a little bit of clear just down on there, just so I can add a few bits of that glitter. Got one stuck there. There you go, now it's on. It's just so pretty. And then we're just going to pop little bit more over the top, just so I can add a couple of those flowers. I'm just going to put 2 on because I don't want to overcrowd it, especially with the glitter as well. Just going to wait for that to dry a little bit, and then I can encapsulate it in clear. Okay, that has been filed and buffed. We are going to give it a top coat. Oh, I've got all my dogs here behind me, all on the bed, and my Chihuahua makes the most strange noises. It's because she's got a very short snout. Bless her. Oh, I love that glitter under there. That's so nice. Right, I'm going to pop that in the lamp to dry. I've got my fan on, frantically trying to dry this one, which I'm hoping it is dry now. I'm not going to touch it just in case it isn't. That is those 2. So we've got number 500 Ace of Spades as the base. I'll put 2 coats of that on. Then I put 1 lot of top coat on, waited for that to dry, and then I put a dab of glue just under each of those Fimo pieces, and I've done 2 top coats over it. I've had to do it off camera because my normal gel polish and top coat hates my light. Oh, it's a nightmare. Soon as you put it onto the nail, it goes like yuck. So yeah, be warned, if you do have a light, a UV LED light or whatever light you've got, yeah, don't put your top coat or your regular polish near it because it will go very, very funny. You could probably put another top coat on. Try and show you from the side. So it's not like very noticeable sticking up or anything. Two lots of top coat over that is okay. Let's show you that way. So that's that one, and then obviously you've seen this one already, which is the hard gel, and then acrylic, completely encased in that one. Right, let's pop a white. What I do is I put my magnetic board behind. It just helps the camera focus on those nails instead of my hands. Okay, so that is 3 ways you can use the Fimo flowers. They're really pretty. I really like that one with that glitter in the background. Right guys, let me turn my fan off so it's less noisy. Please do consider subscribing to Charlie's Nail Art channel because we are trying to grow the channel, and share it if you could. If you want to go over and buy anything, that is the website address, and you are welcome to use the 10% off code. You can use that on any order and on every order. And then here is Charlie's social media platforms. Please do join the support group, because it's great for posting your pictures of your nails, or for asking questions if you get stuck on anything. There's all the brand ambassadors on there, and Charlie as well, so someone will answer you if you ask a question. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully it hasn't been too long. I will try and speed it up in the places where I can. Okay, so I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.